All right, guys, so there's something unique about these speakers, these Bluetooths in its own, because they have the ability to become a speaker. As you can see on the back here, these are speakers. So I'm going to pair this up, and I'm going to play some music for you, and we're going to get this thing rolling for you. This is pretty crazy that these can actually be used for speaker. That is unique. So we're going to power on here. I'm going to try to connect it to my Galaxy Note here. All right, so they're in pairing mode now. Here's the AH45s. All right, so they are connecting there. And paired audio, okay. So now let's go to one of my videos here. And I want to turn on that speaker. Alright, so now it's coming out of the back. That is cool. Now it's not the loudest speaker, but it's good. I like this. Because if you wanted to share something with someone, you could just hit that little button and now the sound comes out of the back. Or if you just want to leave your headphones connected.
So as you can see here, one of my Galaxy
that is nice.
devices showed up, and this is the Coral Blue.
And it goes back to coming out of this side. That is super cool. Archeer has created something nice here. I know this is like new technology for the way for this setup right here, but the way they're doing it is actually really cool.
And this is just an unboxing, so we'll give you a quick overview. All right, in this part of the video, I just wanted to show you when you come to your protection of your phone, there's some different options here now.
That is super cool. So you can see you got the power button and Bluetooth button. You've got LED notification there. You've got that switch right there to turn from speaker and just regular Bluetooth. And you've got your volume right here.
Scanner, you got facial recognition, you got intelligence scan. So I'm going to go ahead and do intelligence scan.
And that's the peak volume for the output. You got 3.5 there. You've got a mic here for phone calls as well. You can charge there. So I'll give you guys a follow-up video later on. But these are just flat out cool.
Now, when given the option for your notifications after you set up your iris scanner and you've done your facial recognition, you can set the transparency on your lock screen. I think this is pretty cool. So I have my set to high.
All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.